Hey everybody, today's question came in via email and it goes like this. Justin, I work multiple part-time jobs throughout the year, but how come at the end of the year when I file my taxes, I have to pay so much money out of pocket back to the IRS? I'm going to tell you why next. Hey everybody, this is episode number 2 of Ask Justin Your Tax and Accounting Questions. So today, somebody asked me, Justin, how come I have multiple part-time jobs and at the end of the year, I have to come up with a lot of tax that I have to pay to the IRS and to New York State? For instance, if a client said to me, Justin, my W-2 says $6,000 and no taxes were taken out, well, the IRS in New York State are using their tax tables to figure out how much tax you're going to pay in at the end of the year. And if they determine from that table that you may only earn $6,000 the entire year because they don't know about your other sources of revenue, then they're not going to withhold any tax from that paycheck. But when you combine all of your other W-2s, you're actually in a much higher tax bracket and it's worth paying a lot of more tax on it. So the concept here is that if you work multiple part-time jobs, you really want to spend a little bit more time working on that W-4 form that just came out with a new one in 2020 that's a little bit more comprehensive and hopefully a little bit easier to understand. But if you spend some time putting all of your total income on that W-4, it should give you an estimate of how much tax or additional tax you should have withheld from your paycheck in order to cover all of the other W-2s that you're going to receive throughout the year. So hopefully, if you're paying in a little bit extra from the employer that you get the most earnings on, that will offset the additional income that you've earned from the part-time job that you've gotten no tax withheld. Spend some time on that W-4, go to the IRS website, they've got an easy calculator to help you figure out what your total tax is going to be, or give us a shout and we'd be happy to do an estimate for 2020 to help make sure that you are withholding the correct amount of tax on your paycheck. Give us a shout, info@universalbookkeeper.com. Have a great day.